skies ranged from partly sunny The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dakota County, Scott County, northeastern Lee Sueur County, Rice County, northeastern Steele County, southwestern Goodhue County, and southeastern Minnesota until 2 p.m. At 1:27 p.m., a broken line of severe thunderstorms were located along the line from over Jordan to over Owatonna, or along the line from 28 miles northwest of Northfield to over Owatonna, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owatonna, Faribault, Northfield, Lakeville, Shakopee, Savage, Prior Lake, New Prague, Jordan, Lansdale, Montgomery, Kenyon, Webster, Dundas, Medford, Stanton, Nerstrand, Elko New Market, Credit River, and Bridgewater. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday for portions of east, central, and southeast Minnesota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Dakota, Goodhue, Lee Sueur, Rice, Scott, and Steele.